This Christmas, call Cameron's Heating and Air Conditioning for emergency service to your furnace. Call 204-336-0532 today, and say, "Before I leave now, as you know I'm a pretty busy guy, here is what Cameron's can do for you."